There it is, the flagship achievement of Gavin Newsom and 16 years of Democrat one-party rule. This is the high-speed train to whisk us from San Francisco to Los Angeles in 2.5 hours. It's open in 2020, didn't you know? And it was finished for $30 billion. Oh wait, they have still not laid any tracks. Now they're saying that maybe, if we're lucky, it's going to take you from San Francisco to Merced on the regular train tracks, then from Merced to Bakersfield on high-speed rail whenever they finish it, and then Bakersfield to LA in a bus, which itself could take 2.5 hours. That's the project that they're now saying, if you're lucky, will be finished by the end of the 2030s for $231 billion. $200 billion over budget, 3 decades late. That is not a bullet train, that is a bullshit train. And I've made it very clear, when I'm governor, I am gonna stop this thing in its tracks. Oh wait, I can't, because they haven't laid any tracks, but I'm gonna stop it anyway.